Kaya nga, isa ito sa tinuturan ko sa atin to be always be prepared and be ready. Ito, susunod yung sinabi sa Mark 13:19. In those days, there will be tribulation such as has not been since the beginning of the creation which God created until this time, nor ever shall be. Tribulation, there will be great troubles.
Hindi ka maingay.
Tribulation, mas pataas ang intensity. Kung yan ay lindol, yan ay hindi na siya 5. Kung dati ay 5, ito ngayon ay 7 or 8. Kung yan ay typhoon, hindi na ito signal